So guys, for the first method, you want to make sure you have Microsoft Teams fully closed. Now to do that, in the bottom right of our taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. Now you want to find Microsoft Teams. You want to right click on it, and then click on Quit Teams. And then once you fully close out of Microsoft Teams, you now want to head over to search and type in %local app data %sign. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down till we find Microsoft. Here it is. Double click on this. Now you want to find Teams. You want to scroll down till you find Teams. Here it is. Double click on this. You want to delete everything in this folder. You might have update.exe and some other files in here. You want to delete everything in this folder. So just highlight everything and then click on delete. Now you just want to open up Microsoft Teams again, and then hopefully this will now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in Microsoft Teams. Now you want to right click on it and then click on app settings. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you want to click on repair. Wait for this to load. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then you want to click on reset and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. See if that works for you.